Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today I am going to tell you about a new feature of WhatsApp. In this feature, the receiver can open only once your voice note. If you are new, please subscribe my channel. Let's go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search here WhatsApp. Click on this update button and update your WhatsApp. The WhatsApp is updating. Now click on open. Open WhatsApp and go to a chat. I select a chat. Now click on this mic option. Click it and hold it. Now drag it upward. Here you have an option of one. Click here. Click on this option. Voice message set to view once. When you send message by clicking on this option, the receiver can listen your message only once. I have sent. Now here you can see the message is opened. When it show opened, it can't be reopened or replayed. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.